Do you ever feel like your problems are multiplying faster than your laundry pile on a Monday? Like just when you think you've handled one thing, three new ones pop up. You are not imagining that. It's not just life being life. There is something deeper going on. I had this one client tell me I must be bad at business because my client didn't seem that thrilled with our last meeting. Meanwhile, they've just helped this client make massive progress, but their brain, now it decided to promote that minor moment into a full-blown catastrophe. If you've ever spiraled after something small and thought, why do I always mess up? Keep listening. You might be caught in what I call problem creation mode. This is what's actually happening. When we are chronically stressed, our brain turns into a bit of a drama queen. No offense to our brains, they're just trying to help. But they go about it in the most backwards ways. Instead of solving the real issue, our brains start dodging it completely. Why? Because the brain thinks you can't handle it. So what does it do? It distracts you. Hey, don't look at that deep stuff. Look over here. Panic about your performance instead. Now, you are not dealing with the real emotional pain, the raw stuff underneath. Instead, you are chasing down made-up problems your brain is manufacturing on loop. Think of it like a hamster on a wheel, but with a megaphone. And I've seen this a lot. One client thought they had panic attacks because there wasn't enough oxygen in the room. That's what the brain told them. Another believed they had to work 60 plus hours a week to be seen as not lazy. And one more convinced herself she was failing as a coach because she didn't get fireworks style feedback from every client. These are not real problems. They're just stress loop hallucinations. The brain's in survival mode and running wild. So, how do we interrupt this chaos? Simple. We start questioning the thought process. When I work with clients, I look for those fishy, over-rehearsed, slightly off responses. You know, the ones where you hear yourself talk and even you are like, wait, how did I jump to that conclusion? That's your clue. That's the problem creation mindset at work. And if you keep gently but relentlessly questioning those thoughts, something magical happens. The real problem pops up. It's like your brain finally goes, fine, here's what's actually bothering me. And that's the moment everything changes. You can literally feel relief in your system because your mind no longer has to keep you distracted. And spoiler alert, therapy doesn't fix the problem. Your mind does. I know it's a plot twist. Mind is sneaky but brilliant. The job of a good coach or therapist is to nudge your brain back into the solution mode, not help you stop problem making, to help you stop problem making and start problem solving. So next time your brain starts throwing random panic pies at your face, pause, ask, is this a real problem or just a mental decoy? What am I really afraid of here? What am I really upset about? Don't fall for the smoke and mirrors. Keep questioning until you hit gold. And if you want help shifting out of that problem loop, you know where to find me. You don't need a million solutions. You just need to stop letting your stressed out brain drive the car.